Hello, this is Yahweasel.
Yahweasel, MallowTheCloud, and 7 billion humans.
7 billion more humans.
No. Yahweasel, MallowTheCloud, and 7 billion humans.
So, last time we came up with genuinely the worst sorting algorithm anybody has ever seen.
It was pretty beautiful.
I call it circular linked list sort. It's where you just loop over the circular linked list, checking every single item to see whether it's immediately less than the one that you're looking at.
He's about to say something. One of those bars was red for some reason. I wonder if one of the times it didn't finish.
Oh.
You might have noticed one or more of your solutions failed to complete successfully during random tests.
There's probably a limit, an upper limit to the amount of time.
It doesn't solve the halting problem.
Yes, a red bar in this version. I tried to reproduce the conditions where your solution.
Oh God. What do you mean reproduce? That's
No,
still
no,
random.
no.
What are you talking about?
It's not. It's going to be fake random.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's probably already chosen. Anyway, I'm actually going to try to do the real or not the real solution. I'm going to try to do a solution.
Literally any
that
better
works.
solution than circular
Yes.
linked list sort. I like how
So I think
just like throw that garbage away. Let's
exactly.
just no.
I'm not going to a new tab for this. So here's what I want to do. I just want to use the same idea that we just had. But maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, well, here's what we're going to do. If there's not a person...
Oh my God, I've got it. Oh my God, I think I've got it. I think I've got it.
Well, you can't tell me just yet because I'm doing my own thing for now.
Yep.
Okay. Now...
I'll tell the viewers, though.
Yeah, feel free.
So the one thing you can essentially synchronize on is whether the thing you're looking at is nothing or a block. So what you can do is say, if I want to move to the right, then first I'm going to move down and drop a block there and then move up. And I expect to see a block drop to my right. If you want to move left, so if you want to swap in that direction, then you drop the block and then move down, and then you expect to see a block to your left. So you can sort of swap the blocks in opposite directions and then say, like, if there's nothing to my right, I'm not going to move to the right. There has to be a block to my right for me to move to the right. I think that's it. I think that I don't know if that's going to be the best number of steps. That might actually be the best time. That plus do-si-do. Okay, the viewers are informed of my sort of theories.
I mean, I obviously have to check if the person to my right has an item that's greater than my current item, right? That's something that I'm going to have to do no matter what.
Cannot imagine a way of avoiding that, yes. Wait, no. If the person to your right has an item that's greater, that's fine. You want to check if they have an item that's less, or if you have an item that's greater.
Correct. If my item is less than the... No. I think I said it backwards. I said it backwards.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Check if my item is greater than the item on my right. If that's the case, we need to do something.
Yep.
This something is going to be something that has to trigger everything else. So what can this something be? So here's one thing that I could do. I can make them step down, and then I can do the check. If there's nobody to your left, except that there's the one space on either side, but that might not matter. If there's not a person to your left, step left. Okay. Oh, but that will actually affect the people down in the row below. But if I put this in the else statement...
Okay. I'm not gonna give you hints, but I will just make sounds that make me think
Yes.
that make you think that I disapprove of whatever solution
Yes,
you just
exactly.
come up with.
Exactly. Okay, so this isn't going to work because the person down below is going to step to the left.
I so desperately want to give you a hint here.
So I need a way to flag. Oh, well, I can just jump past that. This is ugly. Spaghetti code. Now, if there's nobody to the left, you step left, and now... I'm gonna make spaghetti code here.
Well, it's not the spaghetti that's concerning me. You're in a garden path that I am pretty sure doesn't lead you to a solution. But, have fun.
Well, let me finish this garden path then, because I think
this
I'm only
hedge
a few
maze.
statement exactly, because I'm gonna need a couple more jumps. So I need a jump at the end. I also need a jump here. I think there's something wrong with this.
Well, especially since you just, replicated a jump you were going to do in a second anyway.
Well, no, because I'm going to put something in there.
Oh, I see.
So now this person has stepped left, and now you can step up and to the right.
That's fun.
Wait, how did that happen?
The other reason why left might not be a worker is that they're already, mid-do-si-do.
Mid-do-si-do is what I'm wanting. That's my point here.
This is... you know what? Okay, my only hint to you here is just no. Just not this solution at all. So,
No.
You were totally right with pick up, if my item is greater than right, step down. Everything else is wrong.
Well, yeah, but this is... So the thing... Okay, here's my thought process.
You want to check if the person to the left is attempting a do-si-do.
Yes.
Rather than checking whether your item is less than the person to your left, which you are totally
Exactly.
right in doing that. Your way of checking whether the person to your left is doing a do-si-do is horrifically wrong.
Yes, I can see that.
But there is a much easier way to check if the person to your left is doing a do-si-do.
Is there?
So, if the person to your left is mid-do-si-do, where are they?
Oh. If there's a person down and to your right, left.
So yes, but I'm still not completely convinced of this because I think you might sort of mix do-si-dos in a weird way. But
Yeah.
this is the direction you were trying to go.
Yes, it is correct. If there's a person to your lower left, then step left.
And now just complete the do-si-do.
Yes. Although in order to do that,
No, it's much easier than you're making it out to be. Because remember, step weights.
oh yeah, okay. So if I put this here,
Yeah. Well, no.
oh, up and to the right, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah. So I feel like we're gonna mix do-si-dos in a weird way, but this
Yeah,
is sort
maybe. I don't think so. Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. The mixing do-si-dos where you end up with somebody that there's no one to your left, but also no one to your left and down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you mix ifs or ors and ands? You could say if left and also left and
Yeah.
down are both Well, so what I don't know is, like, if you say if this or this and this, where does the and belong?
Yeah,
and
where does
what is
exactly.
the precedence? I don't know. And I don't feel like that's the right solution anyway, but, you know, we can just try
Well,
nothing.
so, oops. Well, I could just check if there's... no, that's not going to work. Okay, so if there's a person to your lower left, do that. Okay. The other thing is this is 7 steps, and
I know
the
the
actual
ideal
solution is 6. Which means that... What?
This feels like the minimum possible do-si-do, and it doesn't even work, which suggests to me that the solution is not a do-si-do, it's just swapping the items somehow.
Unless there's a way to get this pick up statement out of there. But there's not, no.
Ooh, I have a thought. If you just... Dang it, the fact that you can't drop in a direction is really annoying.
Yes, it's very annoying. If 2 workers are both trying to walk to the other one's tile, they will swap... Why don't we read?
What? Huh? What?
Why don't we read?
What? If 2 workers are both trying to walk to the other one's tile, they will swap positions?
Why don't we read?
We just spent 40 minutes because we didn't read the goddamn tip.
Oh my god. Why don't we read? This is it, right?
I think so. You know what? Future Yahweasel, put a note on the last episode that says we should read. Oh my god.
The worst.
This was supposed to be a trivial test to get us to know that
exactly.
thing.
Exactly. And the worst part is my very first thought when this problem first came up, the very beginning, that popped into my head is, I wonder what happens if they try to swap at the same time. Will they just swap places? And then we were talking about something else, and that thought just completely went away.
We were probably talking about do-si-dos because I immediately introduced that. Oh my god.
Oh, that's what it was. Remember at the beginning when you said do-si-dos and you were like, step down, and I was like, oh, no, wait, step down? I thought you meant do-si-do, because I thought you meant do-si-do and they're just swapping places.
Right.
Like this.
Yeah.
And then that went out of my mind because I was like, oh, no, you're right. Of course they're going to have to step down.
Let's just move on and forget about this entire situation. I think we probably just got both.
Yep. No doubt about that.
Jesus Christus. We're morons. Budget Brigade 1, year 24. Oh boy!
Well, this is clearly dangerous. Facilities management was supposed to install conveyor belts in here. But we couldn't afford conveyor belts. Because someone blew our budget on shredders. So everyone just think like a conveyor belt. Print stuff on the left, shredded on the right. Let's not overthink this. Oh yeah, for safety and compliance, no one is allowed to leave their tile. Oh.
Wait, no one is... Okay, so...
We have give to and take from now.
Yep.
So...
Let's read. Let's read.
Yes.
Print
Good
and
point.
shred at least 50 data cubes. No walking allowed. Pro tip from management. Workers can give to and take from other workers. Note that you do not need to both. Just one or the other will do.
Okay. Well, I'm just going to not even do an if statement because I don't think I need to. Because I don't think they're going to do anything if I don't.
It's not like they'll dive to their death if you try and take from below and it doesn't do anything, so...
Oh, but I do have to do one if statement, like, if I need to make sure it's the person on the end that's putting the thing in the thing.
Yeah, you need to check if there's a shredder below.
Yeah, so take from the person on your left, and then if there's a shredder below...
Then dive on in. Ooh, wasn't it the case that give to...
Yes.
Yeah.
And my item is a data cube. There we go. And that should be it, I think. Oh, what?
It said that you could just take from. What?
No, that's not the problem. The problem is the person's jumping in. Well, that's...
Oh, what? I didn't
that
see
might
the
have been
person
another
jumping
problem.
in.
The person's jumping in. If my item is a data cube...
Is it take
What?
from that's making them jump in? I think it's take from. I think if you try and take from a shredder...
Oh, take from... Oh, okay.
All these ifs!
Yeah, exactly.
So if you interact with a shredder in an incorrect way, you kill yourself.
I guess so, yeah. Okay, this is gonna work.
So efficient. I think we're probably not going to have the speed challenge.
Yeah.
Wow.
But we certainly have the size challenge.
I suspect this is a case of you cannot get
You can't do both. Yeah. I think you're right. Okay, so now I just need another... Well, actually, you might be able to, because it's 7, not 6. So I think all I need to do this is this.
Why would that make it faster?
Yeah, because I am still doing a check. Unless checks don't count as...
I guess, yeah, maybe checks don't count. I doubt it, though. I don't think that's going to be faster.
I mean, it looks faster.
It does look faster. No. Oh,
That was
it's
faster.
a lot fast. What the hell? Why is that faster? Why do
Because
checks
checks
take
don't
no
count.
time? Maybe if
don't
my
know.
item is nothing and the maybe like the exceptional case takes time. So like if my item is nothing and left has a data cube.
Ah, yeah.
And then I guess similarly you could try that with...
But it has to be a person with a data cube.
Oh yeah, can you even check for that?
I don't know. I mean, the other option is to give if you have a data cube.
True.
So let's just do that then.
In fact, you could put that in the... no, the else would not be a more efficient way to do that.
Then I have to worry about...
If right is
a person.
Why do you care if left is a data cube? I'm confused by that.
That should be right. Or my item, sorry.
Oh, yes, yeah,
what I meant.
Okay, right, got it. This doesn't look more efficient, it looks equal.
No, it doesn't. Because there are
Then,
a few...
how would you ever make it more efficient than every other one? That's even worse.
Yeah, that's worse.
I don't know. I really have no clue how long checks take. I do not get it. Can you take from bottom left, printer?
Oh!
And give to bottom right, shredder?
Yes, I love it. The people on the ends are worthless.
The people on the ends should just dive into the shredders!
If the... Okay. So is a take from that. Give to that. Then I actually should do this first. It probably doesn't matter, actually.
Well, remember that
But
the
the-
give to version of that was slower for some reason.
Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna fix here.
It's so weird that why was that? It's like it should be the same.
If to the left there is... If the left is a data cube? Is that what it was?
I think we had to say if left is a worker, which actually might cause problems with our shredder positioning. Now.
Yeah.
This might
that
need to be
might.
in an else or something, and then there's no way it's going to be faster.
Or is it?
Or is it? Well, given that ifs apparently take no time,
Exactly.
that is not the else I was thinking of.
Why would it have to be in this one?
Well, because you don't want to... Oh, you're... Oh, sorry, you're taking from. Sorry, I was still thinking give to. Hell? Can you not take from... I guess you can't take from that angle. Why not?
Lower left is a printer. No, but... Oh, because they step when they take, right? They have. That's right, I remember, because they can only take from the 4 cardinal directions. So they actually have to step first.
What a lying punk.
Yeah. I mean, we could make them do-si-do, but that's just way more work than it's worth.
Well, no, we can't make them do-si-do because they can't step.
No, they can. Remember, they can swap.
No, but they can't. You don't have the step instruction.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah, that's not even an option. Okay.
Yeah.
So wait. If left...
Yeah, I'm thinking that putting it in the else might, like, stupidly make it slightly faster, and we only need it to be slightly faster.
Yeah, I think it might because basically it's not going to even do this if statement if there's a printer.
Yeah, but that should only affect one worker, so I don't know why it would make it faster, but... Sure doesn't look faster.
I'm still getting... Well, I wasn't getting these notes before. What did I do different? Also, now that I have an else statement. So, okay, let me make sure that this is back to what it was.
Yeah, let's see if we can manage to
see, this is slower again. Why? What did I do different?
What did we do right?
See, this is 120. It was 65.
What did we do right?
Was this afterwards? Was this here?
No, it was definitely in the middle, but Is the check wrong? What were we checking for? Did we check if left is a data cube?
Maybe we did check if it was a data cube. Yeah, we did. I'm pretty sure we did. No.
But I seem to recall that not working if the data
right.
cube is being held. If left is my item...
How do we know if left
is a worker
has
holding a data cube?
Has a person holding a data cube?
I don't think you can know.
Well, in that case, it seems like give to should be the right thing to do.
Yeah.
Because then you can check that.
Was it give to that we were doing when it was fastest?
No, I don't think so.
It was, yeah.
Okay, if the person to the right, or if there is a person to the right, then give the thing, and you have something. Then give it to the person to the right. That seems like it should be. So what's happening? Why, because there's...
Oh, there is a slight logjam when they're already holding something, but that shouldn't matter for the overall time, because they're picking it up as fast as they can. How did we get... What? Why didn't we save our progress?
I don't know.
Shall we pause for a moment and stare at the screen?
We should. Still 99, not 65.
How did we... Yeah, you don't need to do the recheck. You could have, if down is a shredder, take from forever.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, that's not quite... Well, you could actually put a take from left there.
In here, yeah.
Yeah. In fact, take away the my item is data cube.
Unfortunately, it's not easy to... Oh, yeah. Because if I take that away, it's going to do it the opposite Because it gets rid of the first line, not the second line. Oh, no, that time I got rid of the second line. Okay,
Yeah, I
whatever.
think that's how that worked.
No,
However,
the other times I got rid of the first
remember, if you give to a shredder while that you aren't holding anything, you suffer a mild case of death.
one. Yes.
So this is
I
definitely
need
not
another
going to
fix.
be a solution that gives us the fewest number of commands, but I think, having each of the workers act independently is much better, because that means they don't recheck things.
So like that, basically.
Not quite, because that can also be a tight loop. In fact, that that last one, you don't need any if at all. You can just take from left forever.
Oops, yeah.
If your job isn't producing or shredding, then you're just gonna move things.
Yeah. That looks fast.
It looks fast. It looks absurd, and they're constantly throwing exceptions, but it is fast. Whoop! What?
Still 77. Because I think all these exceptions, I think
the exceptions
we
take
actually
time?
want... Yeah, I think they do. I think they take quite a bit. I think we want to check...
Well, now you're going to have to, if you're switching to a give-to strategy, then you're going to have to make sure that you swap the top things as well.
What do you mean? Oh, these...
Yeah, the shredder
this-
can't take from now. He's just going to have to loop,
yeah.
and the printer's going to have to give to.
Yes, yes. That's right. Well, that makes that actually easier. That makes that better.
Yeah. That should be after the take from, of course.
Yes. Yes. So that makes this better because then I can make this part of the if statement again.
Yeah,
so I don't have to have another
your
whole if
cursor,
statement.
so I don't know what this
sorry.
part is.
I can make line 5 have the if my item is a data cube. No,
because that's
I
just
cannot
the
do
I
that.
am the shredder check. There's nothing.
Yeah. See? Did you see that?
So what happened there is that if you haven't completed giving a line, you can't delete it yet.
Okay. Well, that's stupid. All right. So if
take away the take from. You don't need the take from on line 6.
Yeah, I know that. I was not done yet, but I'd still need this if statement. Okay. Okay, then this is something. Oh,
This has gotta be it. This
exceptions.
must be it. That was so fast. It's not size good.
Okay, that is exactly what they're looking for.
Yep, that is exactly what they're looking for. Yep, just have a different program for each
Yep.
computer person. Next time.
Next time.
Until then, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, what is wrong with you? It's gonna take us like 60 episodes to beat this game. Cheers from Yahweasel.
And have a great day.